Fidel. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
For me, the question called Haja Sophia, because I am the Holy Wisdom of the Francis Nyamonga Institution.
Because build a great work of Chinese system to be for today, battle coming of chemical that is meant to kill all sickness will be the human stomach as from it.
Strong economy and stabilization. Anyway, boom, we are live. Hello, everybody. Welcome today to the continuation of the past games that were postponed last week for the math games, the round of 24. So we have two games that will be played today. The first of these games, the first year is the CMFI Bilingual from Massaralo County versus the Ken Leadership, Kumole, or the Alexander Andrew Academy from Bon County. It is a wet day there in Monrovia, and it is a wet day in Banga City. So we'd like to say we hope if you're watching us, you are staying dry, you are staying warm, and let the students come in with their introduction. Move over to you, CMFI Bilingual. You have 30 seconds to give us your intro. 30 seconds.
Yeah. Thank you, Ferdinand, for giving the privilege to introduce myself. I'm critically new as Tinjos, personally new as Melvin Gizi Apos.
All right. Ken Leadership, you have 30 seconds to give us an intro.
Well, thank you, President, for the time. My name is Ida Abdul, representing the KM Leadership. But today, March, I remain Carl Fedrigo.
Carl Fedrigo were his last words, and I think I like the atmosphere here today. We have good connections. I made the read, and the coordinators are on point, and the moderators are ready to go. Ken Leadership and CMFI, we have 3 set of rules that you have to pay attention to. First one is that every question goes a set of rules, not 3 sets, but a set of rules. First, you have to know that every question goes for a meaning. The questions were designed to be solved in a minute. That's what that means. You can take 10 seconds to solve. It's up to you. You could take 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or up to a minute. When you decide to answer the question, you do not have a minute. You have 10 seconds. I repeat, when you decide to answer, when you boost to answer, you don't have a minute. You have 10 seconds. And lastly, this is mathematics, and you have to prove. You want to know and make sure that you understand what you're doing, the fundamentals, and you are not playing a guess game with us. 10, 5, 2, 3, 2. You're not doing that here. All right. So my name is Willie B. Bidell, and I'll read you the first set of 3 questions after Thomas I've talked to you guys. CMFI, your boosting point will be CM, and Ken Leadership. What is your boosting point?
Ken.
So we got CM and we got Ken. What's up? Over to you.
So, folks, we want to say you are highly welcome to this encounter. We have 2 schools, as it was previously stated, CMFI and Ken Leadership. CMFI for Massaralo County and Ken Leadership from One County. So, folks, the rules were stated. I will just emphasize on the last rule, having to do with the 1 minute. The question goes for 1 minute. If you can answer the question within a second, all we would need from you is when you boost our bell, you should provide an answer within 10 seconds. If you cannot provide an answer within 10 seconds, we will cut you off. So when you boost the bell, you should be able to provide an answer within 10 seconds. The question will last for 1 minute. But if you take the risk and boost the bell, it's going to be 10 seconds. And if you cannot answer in 10 seconds, we cut you off. My name is Thomas T. Jr., and I welcome the audience to the last 2 games to climax the round of 24.
Yeah, CMFI, go quick. CMFI, can you hear me? CMFI, what's your problem?
Yeah, Ferdinand, il m'a posé un point.
What?
Simple.
Yeah, CM is a
Yeah,
boozing point. I said that.
happened?
CM is a boozing point. Let's move on to question number one. Question number one.
Did you find a
Determine,
booster for
yeah,
Ken?
yeah, Ken. Ken is Ken.
It's Ken. Okay.
And CM. Questions number one. Determine the center and radius of the cycle if the equation is x squared plus y squared plus 12x minus 10y plus 50 equals 0. Determine the centers and radius of the cycle if the equation is x squared plus y squared plus 12x minus 10y. CM, 10 seconds.
Yes. The center here is parenthesis open. Yes, the center is parenthesis open, minus 6, comma 5, it closes, and the radius is the root of 11.
Teach me.
Yes, Ferdinand. The equation was x squared plus y squared plus 12x minus 10y plus 50 equals 0. Firstly, we'll rearrange the equation to x squared plus 12x and complete the square, which will give us plus 36 and y plus y squared minus 10x, and we'll complete the square, will give us plus 25 equals minus 50. We send the 50 across, and we factorize, we get parenthesis open x plus 6 close it all square plus parenthesis open y minus 5 close it all square equals 50 minus 61.
Save your breath. That's 60 minus 50 minus 61. That's how you get 11. Save your breath and take 10. Questions number two. A computer is bought for $80 and sold for $92. What is the percentage profit? Or what is the profit in percentage? A computer is bought for $80 and sold for $92. What is the percentage profit? Or what is the profit in terms of percentage? CM, answer.
15%.
15%. Teach me. CM, can you hear me? CM, can you hear me? All right. Yes, of course, I'm going to take him out of studio. And he said 15, so he has to come back and prove the 15. Ken, please give us a split second to get the guys from the studio in Monserrado back. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the continuation of the round of 24 of the mathematics games of the National Quizbook Games for Liberian School. There are two games that will be played today. The first, which is ongoing, is the Ken Leadership, formerly 888 from Bon County. First is somebody's background, please. Somebody's background. Please consider background. This is the CMFI Bilingual Institute. The current school year is CMFI from Monserrado County, 10 points with a answer to be proven pending, and Ken Leadership 0. The second game of the day, Thomas, who are we going to feature in the second game of the day?
So the second game of the day, we hope to see one of your Southern High from Monserrado County going against the Buchanan Open Bible School system from Grand Bassa County.
Thank you, Thomas. Proof it.
The formula news was the selling price minus the cost price, or well cost price times 100.
Put that
So
in
it will be
number. Put that in the perspective. What does it mean?
92 and it will be 12 or 80 times 100.
Save your
Zero
breath.
cannot
Save your
zero.
breath. Save your breath. 92 minus 80 equal 12. 12 divided by 80, which will push you up to 15%. Take 10 points. The question is number 3. The question is number 3. Find the area of a triangle if the height is the unit whole number of a triangle whose base is 6 and hypotenuse is 7. Find the area of a triangle if the height is the unit whole number of a triangle whose base is 6 and hypotenuse is 7. I come again. Find the area of a triangle if the height is the unit whole number of a triangle whose base is 6 and hypotenuse is 7. Please keep the notes in the background, please. Notes in the background coordinator, please.
Yeah.
See ya. Can. 10 seconds.
Yeah. Take 12 cm square
12
or
cm.
12 unit square.
Or 12 units. 12, you're wrong. CMFI. Find the area of a triangle if the height is the unit whole number of a triangle whose base is 6 and hypotenuse is 7. 10 seconds. 1, 2,
Yes.
3.
Take your answer will be 21 cm square, 21 square unit.
I won't take 21. I would take 9. It's 9. It's 9. So when you do a square is equal to the root of c squared minus b squared, you end up with what? The root of what? 13. And what is the whole number in the root of 13? The
It's
whole number
13.
is what? 3, right? The whole number will be 3. Then you come back, it's 6 times 3, so the base times the height, which will divide by 2 will give you 9. And Thomas Sappe, over to you. And the score is 20 points to CMFI and 0 to Ken. Thomas Sappe, over to you. You're muted, Thomas.
So, folks, the score is 20 points for CMFI and 0 to Ken. The margin is 20 points in favor of CMFI. We have 3 more questions to go. In total, we have about 6 more questions to come out the first half. The question is question number 4, and I read for both schools. Question number 4. Are you guys hearing me, both students?
Yes.
The question is number 4, and I read. Make R the subject in this equation. V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Make R the subject in this equation. V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed.
Yeah, Ken.
Ken.
What is your answer? You have 10 seconds. What is your answer?
Yeah, take R to be equals to. Yeah, take R to be equals to 2 root of the cube root of 2 the cube root of 3v. I come again. Take the cube root of 3v or 4 pi.
Come again.
Or take the cube root of 3v or 4 pi.
R is equal to cube root of 3v or 4 pi. Teach me.
Yeah. So this means the first to solve this, we'll cross multiply. We know that v is equal 1. So if you cross multiply, we get 3v equal 4 par RQ. We divide both sides by 4 par R or 4 par. It will be divided, we'll get RQ to be equal to 3v or 4 par. So now we need to get R. So to get R, we take the cube root on both sides. If we take the cube root on both sides, we get R to be equal to the cube root of 4v or 3v or 4 par.
10 points. The question is question number 5. First half. And I read for both schools. Two angles are supplementary. Two angles are supplementary. One angle is 35 degrees more than the other. Find the two angles.
Friend, come again.
Two angles are supplementary. One angle is 35 degrees more than the other. Find the angles. Find the two angles.
Ken.
10 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
4.
Oh, take the first angle to be 70.
5.
72.
7. 8. 9.
Then the second angle going to be equal to
Time. CMFI, you have the remaining time on the clock. Two angles are supplementary. One angle is 35 degrees more than the other. Find the angles. So you have about 4 seconds remaining. Yeah, CM.
Yes. The first angle is 72.5 degrees and other one is 97.5 degrees.
You are wrong. The first angle is 72.5 degrees and the other angle is 107.5 degrees. I don't understand how can you get the first angle and you miss the second angle, because when you add all two, it should sum up to 180 degrees. So how possible is it you get one angle and miss the other? Then that was question number 5. The question is question number 6. And I read, how many different ways can a letter in the word be arranged? And the word rearrange is spelled R-E-A-R-R-A-N-G-E. R-E-A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Rearrange. How many ways or how many different ways can a letter of the word rearrange be arranged? And the word rearrange is spelled R-E-A-R-R-A-N-G-E.
CM.
Yes, you have 10 seconds.
Yes, take 9,000.
9,000 ways. You are wrong. You are wrong. The next thing, how many ways can the letter of the word rearrange be arranged? You have about 20 seconds. 10 seconds, okay.
10 seconds. 10
You have
seconds.
about 10 seconds remaining. 1, 2.
Oh God, go 5.
3, 4.
Yeah.
5.
Answer. 10
Take
seconds.
your answer to be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Time.
The correct and precise answer for points would have been 30,240 ways. 9 factorial all over 3 factorial 2 factorial. 9 factorial all over 3 factorial 2 factorial. That is to say, non-letters in the word rearranged, and the arrow appears 3 times, and the A appears 2 times. So it's non-factorial or 3 factorial, 2 factorial.
Guys,
And
are
folks,
this?
that's how we come.
Go ahead,
That's how we
Thomas.
come to the end of the sixth question.
Yeah, we should
Okay.
not be missing the question. That straight factorial there. Nothing tricky with that question. We should not be missing that question. Question is number 7. Solve the absolute value equation. Solve the absolute value equation. The absolute value opens or brackets opens minus 4 minus 3n. The bracket closes. All divided by 4 is equal to 2. I come again. Solve the absolute value equation. The absolute value brackets open minus 4 minus 3n. Brackets closes. All divided by 4 is equal to 2.
Can
Okay?
n is equals to
1,
minus 4
3, 4,
or n will be equal to 2.
N is equal to, repeat the answer.
Yeah, n is equals to minus 4 or n is equals to 2.
Save your breath. CMFI. Solve the absolute value equation. Bracket open minus 4 minus 3n. Absolute value bracket closes. Divided by 4 is equal to 2. 10 seconds. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5.
N is equals to minus 4 or n is equals to 4 over 3.
Talk to me. Proof.
Yes. The absolute value of minus 4 minus 3n all over 4 equal 2. First, we'll multiply the 4 by 2. We get absolute value of minus 4 minus 3n is equals to 8. We put plus or minus the 8. So we get minus 4 minus 3n is equals to the first positive 8, which will give us, when we send the negative 4 across, one positive 4. So your minus 3n is equal to 12, and n will be equal to minus 4. And we use the negative 8. We send it, when we send the negative 4 across, we got positive 4. And positive 4 minus 8 will give negative 4. Or negative 3, negative cancel, we get 4 over 3.
Take 10. Question is number 8. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the fraction. 4x over 3 is equal to 7 over 6 minus 5x over 2. I come again. Simplify the fraction. 4x over 3 is equal to 7 over 6 minus 5x over 2. Simplify the fraction by solving for x.
Yeah. Can
Okay?
Yeah.
Thomas, you just changed your school, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
1, 2, 3.
yeah, take x to be equal to
5, 6.
yeah 14
7,
over
8.
x is equal to 14 over yeah x is equals to 14 over 46.
Time me, you're wrong. Time me, you're wrong. CMFI. Save my breath. Answer.
Yeah.
Your
X
answer.
got 7 over 13.
7 over 13. 7 over 13, you're wrong. 7 over 13, you're wrong.
Yeah,
You're wrong.
Frederick.
You're wrong.
Frederick.
Hold on. You're wrong. 7 over 23. Not 7 over 13. You're wrong.
Yeah, Brethren.
Hold on.
Brethren.
Hold on. What's the LCM?
Brethren.
Hold on. What's the LCM there?
The LCM is actually 12.
Wrong. 6.
LCM
6.
Yeah, it was to be 6. Okay.
My friend, I say LCM. It can be 2 and then you tell me say 6. Least common multiple. 6.
Yeah.
This one is 12.
So 6 times 3. That's 6 times 4x divided by 3, 6 times 7 divided by 6, and 6 times 5x divided by 2. We do a setup with what? X is equal to 7 over 23. Am I wrong?
Yeah.
Questions number 9. Questions number 9. Many of you sucking tea a whole day. Questions number 9. Find the determinant of the matrix. Find the determinant of the matrix. Matrix A, first row, minus 3, 4. Second row, 2, minus 2. Matrix B, first row, 4, 3. Second row, 5 and 6. Find the determinant of the matrix. I can make the question. Find the determinant of the matrix and give the sum. Find the determinant of the matrix and give the sum. Find the determinant of the matrix and give the sum. I reread the question. Matrix A, first row, minus 3, 4. Second row, 2, minus 2. Matrix B, first row, 4, 3. Second row, 5, 6.
Come again.
Find the determinant of the matrix and give the sum. First row, minus 3, 4. Second row, 2 minus.
CM.
Yeah.
CM.
CM. Answer.
Yes. The determinant of the first matrix is minus 2, and the second one is 9. And their sum is braces open,
1.
braces open, 1. In the first row is 1.
There's
And
sum.
7.
There's sum. There's sum. Sum. 1.
Yeah, and that sum is 7.
Take 10. Teach me. What did you do?
Yeah. The matrix was minus 3 and 4 and 2 and minus 2, because we multiply minus 3 by minus 2 and subtract it from 2 times 4. So you get 6 minus 8 in the first matrix. In the second matrix you get 24 minus 15. So we get minus 2 in the first matrix and we get positive 9 in the second matrix. So minus 2 plus 9 give us 7.
Save your breath. Save your breath. Save your breath and take 10 points. That was question number 9, right? Or question number 8? Which one, Thomas?
Purpose?
I read absolute value question. I read simplify. Yeah, that's question number 9. Over to you, second half, Thomas. Over to you.
So, folks, with our march down to west, move directly into the second half. The score is 40 points to CMFI and 10 points to Ken leadership. Again, CMFI is from Mozzarella County and Ken leadership is from Horn County. With our march down to west, we move directly into the second half, starting with question number 1. The question is question number 1, second half, and I read for both schools. Question number 1. And I read. So for x, 9 raised to the power x squared is equal to 27 raised to the power x minus 2. 9 raised to the power x squared is equal to 27 raised to the power x minus 2. So for x, 9 raised to the power x squared is equal to 27 raised to the power x minus 2. So for x.
minus 2.
We have 10 more seconds remaining. Both teams.
Yeah, Ken?
Ken, what is the answer?
Yeah, egg is equals to minus 1 or 2, or egg is equals to 2.
S is equal to minus 1 or 2, or S is equal to what?
2.
You are wrong. CMFI, you have 10 seconds. What is the answer?
Yes, x is
Yeah.
equals to x is equals to 0, or x is equals to log 2 base 3.
I don't know why log coming here for, but you are wrong. You are also wrong. And the correct precise answer is x is equal to 3 plus or minus r the root of 39 or 4. You are solving for x, and x will be 2x squared minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. In this case, you use a quadratic equation to solve
He
for
said,
x. To find x.
yeah,
Minus
or
2.
Virgin,
I'm listening to
yeah,
you.
Virgin.
Yeah. B5,
Yeah,
I'm
the
listening to
equation
you.
now we get 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0.
I said 9 raised to the power x
9
squared
raised
is
to the
equal to
power x squared
27.
minus 27 raised to the power x minus 2
No.
equals 0.
9 raised to the power x squared is equal to 27 raised to the power x minus 2. That was the question. Read it 4 times. So I don't know what you get.
Yeah, amazing question.
And that was question number 1, second half. The question is question number 2, second half. And I read for both schools. Find the value of m. Find the value of m in this equation. 13 base m plus 24 base m is equal to 41 base m. Find the value of m in this equation.
Come
13
again.
base m plus 24 base m is equal to 41 base m. I read it for the last time. Pay attention. Find the value of m in this equation. 13 base m plus 24 base m is equal to 41 base m.
CM.
PM, PM.
CM. You have 10 seconds. What is your answer?
Yes, m is equals to 6.
Teach me.
Yes, firstly, we convert from base m to base 10. And in converting from base m to base 10, we will get m plus 3 plus 2m plus 4 equal 4m plus 1. And we collect leg terms. After collecting leg terms, we get minus m equal minus 6. Divide both by negative, you get m equals 6.
15 points. And that was question number 2 for the second half. So, folks, if you are just joining us, the score is 40. The score is 50 points to CMFI and 10 points to Ken. The margin is 40 points in favor of CMFI. The question is question number 3, and I read for both schools. Question number 3, and I read: If the sixth tenth, if the sixth tenth of an arithmetic sequence is twice the fourth tenth, I read again. If the sixth tenth of an arithmetic sequence is twice the fourth tenth, and the 10th term is 20, find
Come
the
again.
first term and the common difference. Pay attention. If the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is twice the fourth term, and the 10th term is 20, find the first term and the common difference. If the sixth term of an arithmetic sequence is twice the fourth term, and the 10th term is 20, find the first term and the common difference. I read for the last time. If the sixth term of an arithmetic sequence is twice the fourth term, And the 10th term is 20. Find the first term and the common difference.
CM, CM.
CM. What is the answer? You have
Yes.
10 seconds. 1.
The common difference is 5 over 2, and the first term is positive. The first term is negative 5 over 2.
Come again, what the last time again?
Yes, the common difference is 5 over 2, and the first term is negative 5 over 2.
Teach me.
Yes, giving this the fourth thing, giving it the seller was the fourth thing is the sixth thing is a plus.
Thomas, I think we have to keep in our studio and wait for them to reconnect.
Okay.
Equals 2 times the fourth thing, which is a plus 3d.
Come again with the equation. I didn't get it.
The equation, the sixth thing was a plus 5d equals 2 times the fourth thing, which is parenthesis open a plus 3d closes. That the first equation there, and it gave me a 10 to be a plus 9d, which is equal to 20.
So 10 points.
Yes.
10 points. 10 points. As long as you get the equation, you can use a simultaneous equation. Good thing about it is you understand the two equations. So 10 points. And that was question number 3 in the second half. So folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome. The score we have here is 60 points for CMFI and 10 points for leadership or the Ken leadership. The Ken leadership is from Bond County and CMFI is from Muscarella County. So the score we have a matching of 50 points in favor of CMFI. So wherever you join from, want to say you're highly welcome. We have the last game to climax the round of 24, and that game is between the William V. Tubman House and the Pecan Open Bible School System. So, folks, want to say you're highly welcome. We'll move on to the next 3 questions.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you so much. So, we're gonna open Bible and talk me high. We hope that you're ready to go. We'll be jumping in about 5 minutes. The question is number 4. What is the total number of diagonals found in a dodecagon? What is the total number of diagonals found in a dodecagon? The dodecagon.
CM.
CM. 1,
Yes.
2, 3.
Take your answer be 54.
Teach me.
Yes. The formula is n square minus 3n all over 2. And he said 2 decagon. So my father right again n parenthesis will be n minus 3 all over 2.
What
Will be
is
12.
the dodecagon? Dodecagon is what? Dodecagon is what?
12 sides.
Dodecagon. 12 sides.
Decagon.
You're correct. Save your breath. Save your breath. That's all you need. 12 sides. Save your breath. The question is going to be number 5. Use the half angle identity to evaluate this trigonometry expression. Find tangent 105 degree, or what would be the exact value or the value of tangent 105 degree using the half angle identity.
Hmm.
Got 10 seconds.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, answer.
C'est -75 degrés.
Wrong. Wrong. You say half angle identities to evaluate this trigonometry expression or find tangent 105 degrees.
CM, CM, CM,
Talk to me.
CM.
Answer.
Yes, take -2 minus the root of 3.
Can't wait. Come again. Take your time. Mm-hmm.
-2 minus the root of 3.
Minus 2 minus the root of 3. Teach me.
Yes, we have tangent 30 degree plus tangent 45 degree all over tangent 30 degree minus tangent 45 degree. And we'll get tangent 30 degree will be the root of 3 all over 3 plus 1, which is 45 degree all over the root of 3 all over 3 minus 1, which is tangent 30 and 45, which is divided by. And we get the root of 3 plus 3 over 3 all over the root of 3 minus 3 over 3. And we'll simplify, we get 12 plus 6 the root of 3 all over minus 6, which is equivalent to -2 minus the root of 3.
Take 10 points. Thomas, over to you.
So, folks, we move on to the next three questions to climax the game. The last three questions to climax the game. The score is 70 points to CMFI and 10 points to Ken leadership. The last three questions to climax the game. The question is question number 7. And I read, the sum of the ages of two sisters is 28 years. The sum of the ages of two sisters is 28 years. 10 years ago, one sister was 3 times as old as the other. How old are they now? 10 years ago, one sister was 3 times as old as the other. How old are they now? I read for the last time. The sum of the ages of two sisters is 28 years. 10 years ago, one sister was 3 times as old as the other. How old are they now?
Thomas, I think I do have one more question remaining for them after this one. For them, so.
Family will call you. Fais-le.
10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds.
Yeah. 21 seconds remaining. 15 more seconds remaining. Okay.
Time, 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 time. Thomas, are you there?
Time.
Time.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I can hear
Hello?
you. Time. Yeah, they can hear you, Thomas. Just go ahead.
So the correct and precise one sister is
Can we give me the
12
answer?
and the other is 16. 12 and 16.
All right, Thomas, I think I got one more questions
12
left.
and 16.
No
I got a
question.
question. I got a question left. I
Okay.
read two questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on.
The question, the question is going to be on the last from my end. The sum of three consecutive integers is 159. Find the numbers. The sum of three consecutive integers is 59. Find the numbers.
159.
159, 159. The sum of three consecutive integers is 159. Find the numbers.
CM.
CM.
Yes. The first number is 52. The second is 53. And the fourth is 54.
All right.
The third is 54.
Even though you are slow, what was the setup?
The third is n plus 1, which is the second number, and n plus 2, which is the third number, all equal 159.
All right,
When
stop,
you
stop, stop, stop. Thomas, over to you.
The last two questions to climax this game. The question is question number 8. And I read for both schools. Find the volume of a sphere with radius 6 cm. Find the volume of a sphere with radius 6 cm. Find the volume of a sphere with radius 6 cm.
Can't.
Ken, you have 10 seconds. What is your answer? 1,
Yeah, take 48
3.
CMQ.
You are wrong. Find the volume of a sphere with radius 6 cm.
40.
How much time, Thomas? How much time?
I have 25 more seconds remaining.
yes, CM. CM.
You have 10 seconds, Ken. What is the answer?
Take 288 par.
Come again.
288
Modify your answer.
par.
Modify your answer for the last time.
Divided.
The last time, call your answer. What's your answer?
288 par.
You are wrong. The correct and precise answer is 288 per cm cube. 288 per cm cube. So, folks, that was question number 8. The question is question number 9. The last question to climax this game. And I read for both schools. The original price of a shite was $20. The original price of a shite was $20. it was decreased to $15. What is the percentage decrease of the price of this share? What is the percentage decrease of the price of this share? I read again. The original price of a share was $20. It was decreased to $15. What is the percentage decrease of the price of this share?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ken.
Kim, yeah.
You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? One, two, three, four, five.
Yeah, take 25%.
Teach me.
Yeah, so
I got
president will
25%.
do. Yeah, they say what? Yeah, so we're going to say 20. How many percent of 20 can give us 15? So then we will say what? X%, or we can represent it by any. We also say X% of 20 is equal to 15. So if we solve them, we get 25.
Yeah, well, right now.
Thomas,
Say that again. Hello, say that again.
Yes, we say what?
You say what's the
Which
equation?
yeah?
What's the equation
The
again?
equation is which of the percent, X% of
Okay.
20 give us
Of
15.
20.
Yeah, X% or 20 give us 15. So if you saw the be able to get or 25 answer.
Say 10 points. And folks, that's how we come to the end of this game. The score is 20 points to Ken and 80 points to CMFI.
thank you, Thomas. Folks, please join us in the next game of the day. We can open Bible versus the William V.S. Sudman High School. So, Ken, just keep up the studies. It's not about win. It's not about 10 points. Just say, hey, the questions I was asked today, the questions that have been asked, you have the fundamentals to answer them. What do I need the fundamentals? Are they necessary? Where am I carrying them if I know them? All right. Ask yourself those questions. When you have the answers to those questions, then you can go back and study your math. All right. CMFI, welcome to the round of 12, and we'll see you tomorrow or Sunday. Thank you for the time.
Thank you very much.